Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm Calista, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn on post notifications so you guys can get notified when I put up new videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys two decors you can do for your house. The first one is more of a Halloween one, and the second one more is a fall one. So let's get right to it. In my first Halloween DIY craft, as you guys can see, I have the letters for Boo. And what I think I'm going to do, I have my orange, black, and white paint. So I'm going to paint each one a different color. And then I have my glitter up there. And I think I'm going to do stripes on the letters with the glitter. So for right now, I'm going to go ahead and paint them. And then I'm going to let them dry overnight. So to begin, I'm going to take my letter B. And these are just in the 8-inch Classic from Walmart. And I think they're like $2 each. And I'm going to take it and paint it black. Want, you can do the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because the way I'm gonna have it hanging, you'll be able to see it, and I would just want it all black. What it looks like all done. As you guys can see, I'm a very bad painter, so ignore the mess. And then nextly, I'm going to take my white and take my O and go ahead and paint that. We're going to use this multi-service indoor outrageous orange. So there's my orange for now, so we'll let it dry. So we'll let these all dry throughout the night, and I'll check back with you guys in the morning. So what I'm going to do now is take my tape, and I'm going to align it up with the edge of the top. And then I'm going to take another piece of tape and go right below it. Take another one, and you're just gonna work your way down it, and then I'll show you what you'll do once you get all done. And then I'm not gonna worry about putting tape at the bottom just because it's the bottom. So then after you get your tape all on your letter, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off every other one. So whatever ones you take off, that's where you're gonna have your sparkles at. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take your Mod Podge, just get it up there, and then take the type of brush and get it all over. I'm just doing the top. I'm not putting sparkles on the side or anything. So just make sure you have your glue everywhere, because if there's not glue, the glitter won't stay there. Take some glitter and just kind of sprinkle it all on it. So what you'll just do is you'll just continue downwards, and I'll show you guys my end result. So on your next letter, you're just going to do the same thing as your black. You're going to take your tape and then put the Mod Podge on it, and then put the glitter, and then that's it. So there is the finished project. As you guys can see, if you don't like the whiteness like from the Mod Podge, you can just do it all glitter, but I really like the stripes. So I forgot to make a cutscene for my next one, so let's continue on to project 2. So for my next project, I'm gonna take my wire wreath that I got at the Dollar Tree, and the ribbon, the H for my last name for Heier, the football because you play football in the fall, red glitter and red paint. I'm gonna put on the H. I'm gonna put the glitter over the H after I paint it. And then I got my ribbon that I'm going to tie at the top of my wreath when I get done. And this is going to hang up in my door. So what you guys are going to do... Oh, and I got everything but the wreath at Hobby Lobby. So to begin, what you're going to do is you're going to take your yarn that you bought. So what I did is I just made a knot in the back. Then after you get that, just pull some yarn out of it. What you could do is cut your yarn into sections so you don't have to put your whole thing through the hole. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to cut it and then continue on. And then you're just going to start taking it and just wrapping it all around the wreath until you get it completely covered. So I'm going to go turn on some Hulu and I'll be back to you guys when I get it all complete. This is what it looks like so far, and this is why I wanted the color changing yarn, because it just kind of looks more natural. I have quite a bit, and this is also the 14-inch wreath. I forgot to mention that to you guys. Here is the end result. It turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to be, and I really like it. And I think where I'm going to put the letter is somewhere on the red, because I'm going to paint it red, so I'd rather it cover up the red area than like the green. So after you get your wreath all covered in yarn, what you're going to take next is your letter, if you choose to do a letter, and whatever color paint, and you'll just begin to paint your letter. All painted, you'll take your glitter, then you'll get your Mod Podge. So after you do that, just take your glitter, see how it's all nice and sparkly, and you're just going to do the same thing on the other side. So here what it looks like all done. It's very, very sparkly. And so what I'm going to do is I have some hot glue, football that I have, and just place it up kind of there. Then that's what I'm going to do. So I'll get to you guys after I get them glued on. So this is what it looks like all done. And I'm going to go hang it on my front door. But so here is my little Halloween corner. My little Halloween light. Hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below and also turn on the notifications so you guys can get notified when I put up new videos. And I'll see you guys next week for another weekly video. Bye. And also, happy Halloween.